How to improve your credit score. Introduction. Hey everyone, are you tired of seeing that credit score number drag you down? Well, it's time for a change. In today's video, we're diving into powerful strategies to boost your credit score and get you on the path to financial freedom. Ready to transform your credit? Let's jump right in and turn those numbers around. 1. Check your credit report. First things first, knowledge is power. Start by getting a copy of your credit report. You can obtain a free report from the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Reviewing your report helps you understand your current credit standing and spot any inaccuracies. Mistakes on your report can drag down your score, so it's crucial to dispute any errors you find. Correcting these mistakes can give your score a quick boost. 2. Pay your bills on time. Your payment history is a major factor in your credit score. Late payments can significantly impact your score, so it's essential to make your payments on time. Setting up automatic payments or calendar reminders can help you stay organized and ensure you never miss a due date. Even if you're only able to make the minimum payment, it's better than missing it altogether. 3. Reduce your credit card balances. High credit card balances can hurt your score, especially if you're using more than 30% of your available credit. Aim to pay down your balances and ideally keep them low. If possible, pay off your credit cards in full each month to avoid interest charges and show that you're managing your credit responsibly. A lower credit utilization ratio demonstrates to lenders that you're not overly reliant on credit. 4. Avoid opening new credit accounts too frequently. Each time you apply for new credit, a hard inquiry is made on your credit report. While a single inquiry might not have a huge impact, multiple inquiries in a short period can lower your score. Be strategic about applying for new credit. Only do so when necessary and consider the potential impact on your score before applying. 5. Keep old credit accounts open. The length of your credit history influences your score, so keeping old accounts open is beneficial. Even if you're not using them, older accounts contribute to a longer credit history and can positively affect your score. Just be sure to use them occasionally to keep them active and avoid account closure due to inactivity. 6. Diversify your credit types. A mix of different types of credit, such as credit cards, installment loans, and retail accounts, can be good for your credit score. It shows lenders that you can manage various types of credit responsibly. However, only take on credit types you can handle well. Avoid opening accounts just for the sake of variety, as this can lead to overextending yourself. Conclusion. Improving your credit score takes time and consistent effort, but these strategies can set you on the right path. By staying informed, paying bills on time, managing balances, and handling credit responsibly, you'll see your score climb. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial advice. Thanks for watching, and here's to a brighter financial future.